Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel on Bam Glam DIY. Today let's make a tile grout cleaner. I know you've been wondering how you can actually clean those your grout spaces in between your tiles in your house, and you may have tried a lot of cleaning agents and it's not working. So just stay tuned and don't go anywhere, and I will jump right straight into it. So what is grout? Grout is actually a mixture of cement, sand and water. It is used to actually fill up this space you see in between your tiles. But the problem is, after a long usage of your tiles in your house, probably in your bathroom, your kitchen, in your whole house, these tiny spaces tend to accumulate dirt, and we try as much as possible to clean it up so that it will look as if it is a new tile. So this tile grout cleaner we're making will actually change your tiles from looking like this into looking like this. Yes, that's what I mean. It will make it look as if you did a new tiles when somebody comes into your house or your sitting room. So after making this production today, you just see the measurement is in the video, everything about it. You can make it, you can add it up to what you are doing. You can make it as a home DIY. Use it to clean your own house. Please use it to clean your own house. You can also turn it into a business if you're really into making cleaning agents and also selling household cleaning agents. Yes, you can add it up to one of the things you sell, and I bet you people will be so happy to buy it from you. So for the how to use it or the application, you just have to put it in a spray bottle and spray it along those lines in between your tiles, and then you keep it for about 10 minutes 15 minutes. Just let it sit for a while, and boom, you just come back with your brush and you start brushing. As you're brushing, you just start seeing the dirt coming out of it. You understand? They just pull out as easily as possible. The thing is, we're making this right now, and you're going to see how you can make this yourself and you use it in your home. Please come back and tell me in my comment section after making this that Bam Glam, you made this amazing production and it was wow. So please, I'm waiting for your comment. Please guys, please like this video and support my growth. Like and share, save my video and share my videos to your families and friends. You actually love this particular video. So let's jump straight into the production of what we are going to be needing to turn our tiles looking this sparkly, neat and new, as if we just made new tiles. I actually left some parts without washing them and washed some parts so that you see the differences. Like I said, you'll be needing a spray bottle. You can also use nozzle bottles when you're making this production, but for this production we need only 2 components. Only 2, yes. And you'll be wondering why only 2. I thought as we'll be making use of almost 10 different chemicals. No. We just need 2 components. We need our water. It needs to be very clean water. Very clean. Please, clean water. Don't make use of anyhow water. It needs to be as clean as possible. Measure out 100 ml of your very clean water into a mixing vessel or a jug or a jar, whatever it is. And then the second component you'll be needing is a very strong oxidizing agent. And for this video, I'm using citric acid, and I'm using it at 40 grams. This citric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. That means it has the ability to break up molecules, remove stains, and clean out colors and tough stains. So apart from it cleaning your tiles and your grout, it can even remove hard water stains inside your toilet bowl, your washing hand sink. Wherever it is you have hard water stains on your tiles or your porcelain sinks, you can actually spray it there and make use of it to clean those tough stains. I'm not joking. You will actually love and fall in love with this production after making it. So what you have to do is just to mix citric acid. Yes, it dissolves in water, but yeah, the concentration we are making is very high, so you need a while to dissolve it. Just take your time, turn it, stir it around till it is well dissolved. So if it's probably I'm making 1 liter of this, you need about 1 liter of water and about 400 grams of citric acid. Dissolve it perfectly in water and then pour into your spray bottles, and tada, you have actually made your tile grout cleaner. You've made it. So let's jump into making use of it in our home and see how it will turn our tiles from the way it was looking faded and old before into looking new, as if we just made a new tiles. So let's get down to how it is being used. You can place it inside a spray bottle so that you can spray it on the tiles, or you can put it inside a nozzle bottle. All you need is a container that can easily deliver the liquid content or into the grout lines without it spilling out everywhere. After which you have to leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the 10 to 15 minutes is complete, you can come back with your brush, probably a toothbrush or any brush that is of smaller size. You need to apply pressure and brush it off, but it will actually be very easy while you are brushing. It will be very easy to clean out. You'll be marveled. You'll be like, oh, I never knew you had this much dirt in between your tiles in your house. In the kitchen area, it is quite possible. So you brush until everything is out. So like I did in this experiment, I didn't spray out on the whole tiles. I just cut some of the tiles into two so that when I'm showing you the after effect, you'll be able to spot out the difference from how it was before and after. So voila, once you're done, your tiles will be looking neat and new. You see the cross tiles in between is very sparkling and neat. The other tiles by the right hand end, I didn't even spray it. I left it like that so that we can use it as a measure. You understand? So once you are done, you'll be having your tiles will just be looking like this. The before and after will look so different. You can use it on your white tiles to any color of tiles at all. I hope you love this video. Please like and subscribe.